Hi guys, my name is Tatiana James. I'm a realtor in Las Vegas area, and today I'm touring this gorgeous open house in section 10. Let's come and check it out. The house was built in 1989 and it's totally renovated just for you. Let's go inside. We are in the living area, which is connected to the kitchen. It's open space, a lot of space. This is a 3,000 square feet home. Modern kitchen with open new appliances, microwave, oven, nice refrigerator, dishwasher, quartz countertops. And let me show the master bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms. We're just looking at the master bedroom. It's nice and spacious. Gives the image to the backyard. And they did a wonderful job in the bathroom area. Marble floor, nice modern shower, big shower heads, double sink. Really nice. And I'll show you the backyard. The house sits on a half-acre lot, so you can see how spacious, big lot it is. You can do a lot of things here. So guys, if you have any other questions, please give me a call at 702-592-7886. Bye.